Welcome! In front of me I have smartwatch Hama 7010 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. Find the watch face you would like to use and then tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also change the watch face through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, press the upper button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, then tap on it, and here you should see the option called watch faces settings. Once you tap on it, it will open the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list of watch faces, find the watch face you like, and tap on it to select it and apply it. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the phone application to change the watch face. So if we move our watch to the side, bring the phone. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we need to open the Hama Fit Move application. In the app, we need to tap on device icon, and here we should see the smartwatch 7010, and under it there should be watch face market category. Tap on more to open the watch face market. Here you can download and install additional watch faces. For example, you can tap on one, tap on install. And once it's done installing, it will be applied on your watch, as you can see. But you can also change watch faces from the ones that are already installed, because you can have up to 10 watch faces on your watch. And if you tap on manage watch faces, it will open the list of the watch faces installed on your watch, and here you can select the watch face, tap on set as current watch face, and it will be applied on your watch. Okay, and once you're done, of course, you can close the application, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.